welcome back to the channel. It's Matt and the JoJo Lena. And if you can see behind us, there's some telephone booths. Damn, from the 80s, I think.
Yeah, it's our first time. We've never had to move telephone booths.
So we're behind Chevron, the gas station right now. And let me show you guys the job. It is about, what, 2 full loads, I would say?
Yeah, the pile definitely grew from the picture he sent us.
Now let me show you guys the pile. So here is the pile from hell, the cardboard pile from hell, guys. And sorry about the traffic. We're right next to the freeway. So check it out. JoJo, do the Vanna White. Voila, money, money, money.
And it's pretty easy money because it is a lot of cardboard. So we'll smush it down and try to get, as much to fit in each load as possible. But the pictures that, maybe we'll share the pictures he sent us.
Oh, definitely.
And compare how much the pile grew from the pictures he sent us.
So check it out. It don't look that bad, but it is a pile. Look at that. But on the brighter side, there's no syringes over here. I highly doubt that.
Oh yeah, we're in Hillsburg. Not a whole lot of that happens around here.
Oh yeah, we're in the JoJo's hood right now, the suburbs. Check it out, pile from hell. All I gotta say is easy money. Let's get it, JoJo. You ready?
Yeah, I'm tripping over boxes. Like this, what I try to do is put in the things that are super light first, because you have these that don't weigh anything. Foam pieces, we've discovered that no matter how well you think you are tarping, your foam pieces, if they're on top, will still fly all over the place. So we like to start with the light stuff first, and especially when you're doing a job like this, and then you can put things that are heavy like this on top of it, and you don't really have to worry as much about it flying all over the place when you're driving.
So the first load is complete, and my prediction of the dump fee is gonna be $71. What about you?
54.
54?
Yeah.
And something you definitely want to do whenever you see something you think might be worth some money, look it up on eBay before you dump it. Because that telephone booth thing, the frame's worth around $250, I do believe. So we'll bring that home last and drop it off in the garage. And you know what? I think our neighbors are gonna love us. Because we're bringing all kind of trash home all the time.
Yeah, but I mean, you never know, and it doesn't hurt to just, to put something online and just see if you get any takers.
So check it out. We have time today to go drop it off because the next job is by the house. So we're gonna do that for sure. The JoJo Lena one, it was $59.50. So we're back for round number 2, and here's the game plan. We're putting all the flat pieces in first.
Then we're gonna put this big box in, and then a bunch of the heavy stuff on top.
Let's get it. So it is mandatory break time, and let's check out this phone booth and let me know what you guys think. So leave a comment down below if you see dollar signs or if you see trash. Leave it in the comments. Now, if you're a loyal subscriber, leave a comment down below what we charge for this job right here. And if you win, the JoJo might do a dance for you. And I ain't talking about no freaky dance. Maybe the Running Man, maybe the Roger Rabbit, something like that. Now, just like that, job is complete. And before I left the job site, I made sure I got payment because I had a gut feeling that the guy might not pay for some reason. So whenever you have a gut feeling, JoJo, what do?
Oh, you should always listen to your gut and your instinct because it's telling you something and you should tune in and listen and go with it. So another thing that you want to do is, it's one of our policies, is if somebody is moving, like they're moving to another state, at the end of the job, when they ask what form of payment do you take, we don't include checks. We accept everything else, but we won't accept a check from somebody that is moving out of state.
Because you never know, the check might be bad. And something else you can do too is if you ever get a check, and let's say you have a bad feeling about it, you can call the bank up and see if there's any funds on there before you take the check. So that's something you can do too. But whenever anyone's ever moving, we don't take no checks at all. Hell no.
Yeah, and so we've never ever experienced doing a job and not getting paid. And I don't know if it's because we're just been lucky so far, or if he trusts his instincts and we don't accept checks from people that are moving. We've just never come into that problem.
So I'm gonna knock on some wood real quick, some cardboard back here. Yeah, we're all good. So JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
$115.
$115, I'm gonna say $121, and let's see what happens. Now check it out, it was 1,800 pounds at $124 I won. Oh yeah. So JoJo, what does it mean when you make over a G before 10:30?
It means you're hauling and balling.
Yeah.
It's like the definition of hauling and balling.
So we're here to go pick up these telephone booths and make some more money, guys. We all about that hustle. Let's get it.
So we are at the next job of the day, and these are really my favorite because you can pull right up to it and load up. And those are the curbside pickups that became such a popular thing during COVID. And there's so much about COVID that I hated, but I gotta say that the curbside pickup with junk removal, that's awesome.
So we're at the next job of the day, and it's all this stuff right here, plus some trash in back of a pickup truck, which a lot of it's donatable, and then there's some stuff in the backyard. So we just ate some El Luncho, and JoJo, what just happened right now?
It was my first experience of having a robot bring me my food.
I felt fancy as hell, huh? That
Yeah.
thing was super cool. It rolled up, brought us our sushi, and yeah, it's the first time that's ever happened. And we went to Quick Sushi in Santa Rosa Avenue. The food is off the hook. So if you're ever in Sonoma County, check them out.
Yeah, and I'm not even a huge sushi person, and I liked it. They have a great variety of stuff to eat.
Now, the only downside of eating sushi is I'm still hungry, JoJo.
You're always hungry.
Now, just like that, we did our part, and those people are kind of mean over there, JoJo.
They were rude, but just think, all day long they have to direct people and tell people where to put things, and nobody listens. So
But the good thing is that we're super close to a donation center by our house, with 2 minutes away.
Yep.
We got the metal recycle place about 5 minutes away.
Yeah, our new move has made it very convenient. We are next to lots of things that are very beneficial for our business.
Oh yeah, so we're heading to the house right now. We beat the heat and we made some killer money today. So I'm not gonna lie, I think we got issues. Look at her. She has some stuff in her hands. She's bringing inside the house. We got stuff over here. We got more stuff over here. We got 2 telephone booths right here. We got mattresses. Oh my goodness, JoJo. We're like Sanford and Son.
That's getting pretty bad.
It is getting pretty bad. So I'm putting these online today. So leave a comment down below how much money you think we'll get for these. Leave in the comments down below. And if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button. And we love all you guys.